Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Ironwood is a city located in Gogebic County in the far western tip of Michigan's Upper Peninsula, right along the border with Wisconsin. It sits near the Montreal River, which separates the two states, and is surrounded by forests, hills, and remnants of the region's mining past. The city has a population of roughly 5,000 people, making it one of the larger communities in this part of the Upper Peninsula and a central hub for nearby towns and rural areas. Ironwood was established in the late 19th century during the iron mining boom in the Gogebic Range. It was officially incorporated in 1887 and quickly grew as one of the key towns supporting mining operations in the region. The city's name comes from the iron ore deposits found in the surrounding hills, which were among the richest in the Upper Peninsula at the time. These deposits attracted workers, investors, and railroads, all of which contributed to rapid early growth. By the early 20th century, Ironwood had become a busy mining and transportation center. Several large iron mines operated in and around the city, including the Newport, Aurora, and Nori mines. Rail lines connected Ironwood to ports on Lake Superior and to industrial cities farther south, allowing ore to be shipped across the country. During this period, Ironwood developed a full urban structure, including schools, churches, hotels, and commercial districts that supported a growing population. One of the most significant historical events associated with Ironwood is the decline of the iron mining industry in the mid-20th century. As ore production slowed and mines closed, the city experienced economic and population changes. Like many communities in the Upper Peninsula, Ironwood adapted by shifting its focus toward other industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, tourism, and public services. The transition marked a major turning point in the city's development. Today, Ironwood is known for its strong connection to outdoor recreation. The city is home to the historic Ironwood Theatre, built in 1927, which remains an important cultural landmark. Ironwood is also a major destination for winter sports, particularly skiing and snowmobiling. The nearby Big Powderhorn Mountain and the extensive snowmobile trail networks attract visitors from across the Midwest during the winter months. In summer, the region offers hiking, fishing, and access to Lake Superior's shoreline, just a short drive north. Ironwood also preserves several historic districts and buildings that reflect its mining era past. The city has worked to maintain its heritage while supporting modern development, creating a blend of old and new that is visible throughout its streets. The Carnegie Library, built in the early 1900s, is another example of the city's historic architecture and long-standing commitment to public institutions. Despite its remote location, Ironwood remains an important regional center for the western Upper Peninsula. It serves as a commercial, cultural, and transportation hub for surrounding communities, many of which are much smaller and more rural. The city's location on the state border also gives it a unique cross-border identity, with daily connections between Michigan and Wisconsin shaping local life. For travelers, Ironwood offers a clear picture of the Upper Peninsula's history and landscape. It reflects the rise and fall of the iron mining industry, the resilience of small northern cities, and the strong influence of natural surroundings on everyday life. Whether passing through or staying longer, visitors find a community shaped by industry, geography, and a deep connection to the land. Thanks for watching!